Page 19, Sakura, or cherry blossoms. One sharp, we are in the key of E minor still, so make sure you can do the scale on E minor and the scale on G major both, because it has one sharp. Common time or 4/4 time, and there's not a lot going on, just quarter notes. Just remember all of the F sharps and play it all connected. Crossover, second line. And then lift up. So they've got phrasing, you lift up between the phrasing. In the left hand, you just got the chord. See if you can get all these notes down at the same time. Put the hands together. Like a 5/7 chord now on E minor. So forth. Last line, look out, you're here. That E at the first measure, the last line is tied. You don't play it again, you hold it down. You're adding all that to it, and then here. And then the second measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hold that B down. And this, now we're going to spread out to this one and there, here, so it's again. And the left hand plays the last note, B. I don't care what finger you use. I usually use second because I can aim my second finger better, but if you want to use third because it's a longer finger, that's fine. I would not use thumb because it's a short finger. You got to reach further. Ugh. Add in the slurs in the right hand. This left hand, just play it as connected as you can. Lift up, and the right hand lift up. Lift up. Here you have to lift up because you got to move, but the left hand doesn't. So add in the slurs. Dynamic wise, again, they're giving you 2 dynamics. I wish they wouldn't do that. You need the one in the middle, moderately soft. And you need to know that the dynamic they give you applies to the melody, and you have to make everything else in background. So this could be very soft. You have to experiment and see, because if this is whatever you think moderately soft is, or sort of soft, keep this. We want to hear that melody. You're going to swell up to moderately loud. Come back down. Now you're down to soft. Left hand's very soft. Let's swell up again. Soft on the third line. Now you're up to moderately loud. Left hand, keep it in the background, soft. And then the last line, I suggest you come down to soft. Then go up here, up there. And come back down. And the retardando, slow down. Slow. Keep this soft. And the morendo is die away. So slow down. And soft, very soft at the end, then, because you diminuendo through. When the morendo, you're getting softer and dying away and all that. Anytime I see a morendo in music, I just think die away. Slow down some and die away. You're just fading out off into the distance, slowly. Now, we need the pedal on this to help us connect it and for the overtones. This is a fairly slow piece, not real slow, fairly slow. And you got plenty of time to hear the notes. So it helps to have the pedal so we can color the notes with overtones. Now it's overlapping pedal, so the notes go down first and then the pedal. The idea is I want to start the sound first before I release the dampers. So the sound just kind of grows out there. So it's here. And I'm going to change the pedal after I play the notes so that it's going to overlap just a little bit. It's going to mess up the phrasing, but still do it. Go through the motion for the phrasing, whether you can hear it or not. Now, in And the second line, first measure, I disagree with that. That's too much. It's too slow. If it were a little faster, I could tolerate it maybe. So in this measure, this line and the following line, same thing. I'm going to pedal every 2 beats to help clear it out a little bit. Again, pedal every 2 beats to help it just clear out a bit. Now the last line you can pedal pretty much like they're showing here, and then here. Here, change it, and then hold it down for the rest of it. And then at the end, keep your hands on the keys, but let the note up here. Let it up, and then slowly lift the pedal up so the sound just dies away. You don't want to be soft here, and then all of a sudden, no sound. That's a jerky. It's like, whoa. So let the pedal up slowly, and the dampers will touch the strings slowly, and they should fade away. Hopefully it won't buzz. A lot of electronic pianos will do this also. Yeah, it depends on the piano and so forth. Cheaper pianos may not do it, but some of the others, I've tested it on different pianos, and it seems to work on some and not on others. You can let the pedal up slowly and it will. However, with an electronic piano, if you want it to die away, you can always reach up and just turn the volume down slowly, and that has the same effect. You know, that's fine. Doesn't matter if you use one hand to do it or a foot to do it. Big deal.